Yeah.
Well, dealing with the holidays after a divorce can lead to a lot of stress and depression, especially for kids. So how do parents replace the happy memories of the holidays past with new ones? Attorney Latrice Milton is here with some talking points. And let's first start with the parents because it is hard going from a couple to a single.
Absolutely. You know, there's psychology studies that show that 10% of the circumstances lead to our happiness. The other 40% are intentional activities. So what parents really can focus on during the holidays is doing things that bring them joy. So instead of worrying about, just the kids, they need to also do things that make them happy, whether that's massage or going and getting their hair done, or going to do activities such as working out that bring them joy so that they're happier and able to help their kids go through this transition.
Because I do know people who've gone through or are going through divorce and they kind of like already dismiss the time. Like, it's just, I'm divorced this year and I'm not going to be with the kids. And so they just write it off. So they already kind of set the tone as it being a downtime.
And it can be a downtime if you think about what's going on.
Yeah.
But again, if you focus on what you have, so, being grateful for the things that are in your life. And what I tell my clients who are part of the Milton Divorce Coaching Program is start a gratitude journal, especially around this time of the year. I start off every morning writing down things that I'm thankful for. So even if it's nothing much as far as, I woke up and the sun was up and there's no snow on the ground.
Right.
Or I'm happy to have a job. If you start getting in that mindset at the beginning of the day, you can kind of carry that throughout the day, even through hardship.
And get out there and reconnect with friends or find new friendships, new activities.
Right, the more the merrier during the holidays. So don't, just isolate yourself from everyone and not do anything with friends or family. Start new traditions, go to, see the Christmas Carol with friends.
Yeah.
Do things that celebrate the holiday. There's going to be a little bit of change because your holiday traditions are going to change because your family's changing. But there's so many good things that can come out of it.
And you're not alone, and I know it's easy for someone who is not in the divorce situation to say that to someone who is going through it, but you're not alone. You're not the only person to have gone through this, and you will go through this and get through this.
Right, and it's good to talk to someone who's probably been through it, because that's why support groups are very helpful, because you can kind of bounce ideas off of other people who've gone through it, who can talk through what's going on and how they feel about the same situation. You have something to share with another person, and at the same time you should use that person as a person you can go do something fun with.
Yeah, so how do you connect with a support group to help you through these times?
There's not that many support groups out there for women or men in general, so that's why I started Milton Divorce Coaching, to really help women find a center where they can get information about things that are really affecting them in their lives while going through a divorce, but also start a support network, create new friendships, start moving past the divorce and thinking about their life for years to come.
For years to come. All right, Latrice, thank you so much. Happy holiday.
Same to you.
It is